budget-friendly match with a soft spring glow. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Spring is the season for. Come along with me as we visit the eighth wonder of the world, Niagara Falls, made of mist.
I was with you. I took my shoes off too.
Nothing but God. Look at that.
Ain't bad.
You get soaking wet.
Here's me. I got you. All right. All right. A video, baby.
Wow. Niagara Falls. My goodness. Oh, wow. That is beautiful.
Snow up there. Me in the background.
Oh, now we get to go down. Oh, now.
Oh, hurry up.
Ever had before. In 1955, the first modern made-of-the-mist boat entered the river, made of steel and powered by twin diesel engines. We appreciate and enjoy the beauty of this natural wonder just as much as our thousands of yearly visitors. And we know we have a
If you
responsibility.
look to your left, you'll see it where the water tries to bubble up. That's where the rapids begin. We call that the point of no return. If you should fall into that water at that time, you have exactly 3 minutes